Consciousness is a combination of two very important words. We don't talk about it enough, but it affects all of us. How you sense things, how you feel about things, how you look at things is a sense of self-awareness. Awareness of what is going on with you, awareness of what is going on around you. Spiritually, we are like God. Mentally, we're also like God. Mindfully, we are also like God. Are you with me? So this was how it was in the beginning, so that we could only see how God saw. As a matter of fact, we were so much like God that when God was testing what he created, he appointed Adam to name all of the things that God had created. And the Bible said God stepped aside to see what Adam would call them. When Adam had finished naming everything that God created, God did not change any name that Adam had called anything. That is the extent to which man was aligned with God in image and likeness. This pleased God. Glory to the name of Jesus.